When starting a business with others, the structure of your partnership dictates your legal liability. Let's look at the differences. The main difference between these two business structures comes down to how much risk each partner carries. In a general partnership, everyone is equally liable. In a limited partnership, some partners act as silent investors with capped risk. This chart shows relative personal risk. General partners face total exposure, while limited partners are generally protected beyond their initial capital contribution. General partnerships are often chosen for their simplicity when all partners want to be actively involved in the day-to-day business. Limited partnerships are typically used when a business needs funding from investors who do not want to manage the business operations. Remember, in a general partnership, your personal assets like savings or property could be at risk if the business faces legal trouble. The right choice depends on your specific business goals and how much personal risk you are willing to accept. If you found this breakdown helpful, subscribe for more money basics. Always consult a professional before finalizing your business structure.